Hey everyone, today we will be talking about 8 different startups with aggressive patent strategy. One disclaimer, this video will be covered in 2 parts. Startups with aggressive patent strategies are GoPro, SolarCity, Square, Zynga, Tigo, Ather, Accession and Partnerwine. GoPro एक अमेरिकन टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है which was founded in 2002 by Nick Woodman. GoPro मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं एक्शन कैमरास और अपनी खुद की मोबाइल एप्स एंड वीडियो एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर भी डेवलप करते हैं. GoPro have a world-class patent portfolio and they have variety of innovations. GoPro's innovation storytelling solutions are covered by numerous patents. पहला पेटेंट 2004 में CEO निकोलस वुडमैन ने फाइल किया and then there was no looking back. GoPro के स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रोएक्टिव कम होने के कारण कुछ कॉम्पिटिटर्स मार्केट में आ गए और GoPro की मोनोपोली एंड हो गई. But then they didn't give up and then formed their strong IP strategy, looked to capitalize not the action camera market they were in, but rather on the community that they had formed around their brand. They focused more on creating an IP strategy on branding and copyright. To take advantage of this unfortunate circumstance, they created a strategy around IP acquisitions, licensing, and acquiring patent back from intellectual ventures. This strengthened and diversified their patent portfolio. जो second startup है, वो है SolarCity. SolarCity Corporation sold and installs solar energy generation system as well as other related products and services related to residential, commercials and industrial customers. We all know who owns this company now. None other than Elon Musk. It has been the subsidiary of Tesla. SolarCity ने अपने पेटेंट स्ट्रेटजी को बहुत सीरियसली लिया एंड वो ये सोच के बैठे कि कुछ तो ऐसा किया जाए अपने आईपी के एसेट्स के साथ कि वो एक डिफरेंट अप्रोच रखे टोटल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी के अराउंड. The strategy of the company was to rely upon a combination of patent law and other intellectual property rights to protect the core technology of the company. अपने पेटेंट स्ट्रेटजी को 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया इन्होंने. पहला, शिफ्टिंग स्ट्रेटजी इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ पेटेंट लॉ, पॉलिसी एंड प्रैक्टिस. दूसरा, embrace of an open source philosophy. Third, analysis of the larger issue about business development. And fourth, use of trademark law and related rights in its marketing and branding. Fifth and last, larger patent initiative in respect of clean technologies, renewable energies and climate change. Third startup in the row today is Square. Square फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड मोबाइल पेमेंट बेस्ड स्टार्टअप है और ये फाउंड किया गया था जैक डॉर्सी के द्वारा इन 2009. Primarily, they sold software and hardware payments product and have also expanded into small businesses service. But it was the Square reader that launched the firm's upward trajectory. Square ने स्टार्टिंग में ही अपने आईपी स्ट्रेटजी को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रखा. इनफैक्ट कंपनी स्टार्ट होने के साथ ही आईपी स्ट्रेटजी उनका रेडी था. It filed its first patent along with dozen of other on the same day. The patent covered the various Square reader function from decoding card swipe signal, passive identification circuitry, receipt generation and many more. एक स्टार्टअप होने की वजह से Square ने सोचा कि अपने IP एसेट को सिक्योर रखना ही सक्सेस की तरफ बढ़ना है. And in general, they wanted to ensure prior art search doesn't find any existing patent associated with this technology, and second, not to prematurely disclose since the US only grants a 1-year grace period following a public disclosure. Third, patent applications are filed early to claim IP ownership. Fourth startup है आज का Zynga. Zynga Incorporation is an American social game developer running social video game services and founded in April 2007. 2014 में इस कंपनी ने टेडी जो को हायर किया एज सीनियर पेटेंट काउंसिल सो दैट टेडी अपने एक्सपीरियंस से जिंगा के आईपी को स्ट्रेटेजाइज कर सके. As a sole IP attorney for entire company, Teddy was responsible for designing and executing on the global patent strategy. He needed a robust patent management system that could easily map out the company's portfolio. और टेडी ने वही किया, पेटेंट पोर्टफोलियो डेवलप किया, फाइनेंशियल्स और ग्रोथ दोनों को ध्यान में रखते हुए. So this was 4 startups who have actually covered a strategic IP system or patent system aggressively because they knew they have the backbone of IP and patent to come up in the market and grow strongly. In next video, I'll be covering 4 other startups in continuation with this. Till then, please do subscribe our channel, and if you have any special question you want me to come up with any startup stories, IP stories of them, you can comment in the comment section. Till then, keep watching IP Jagruti.